Hello, welcome back to another unboxing video on Katy Kaboom. And first we have an 18 Copa Camaro SS. It's pretty sharp, I like that. Ooh, it's pretty. That's real pretty, I like that a lot. Quick Bite ice cream truck. That's cool. That reminds me of the one that Mr. Cartoon has. That's cute. That's really cute. I like that one a lot. Clip rod. Now this is hideous, but it also is a money clip, and I think that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna try it out with all my ones. Oops. You see, so it's got a money clip on top. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Tesla Model 3. That's nice. Conservative. It looks like a rich person car. But it's nothing flashy. It's nothing flashy, I don't know. It's supposed to be a good car. There it is. Pretty plain. Ah, the 88 Honda CRX. This is so cute. I like this one a lot. Oops. Oh, the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. It's an interesting looking car. You know, I might drive one if I got one for like $2,000. Pretty plain paint job too. Wah, wah, wah. The Fished and Chipped. This is a made up Hot Wheels car. Kind of looks lowridery. That's probably why I bought it. But it's, yeah, one of the better made up cars from Hot Wheels. It's pretty nice, guys. Good job. Interesting, like, kind of tribal looking paint, too. Well, it's got a British flag or something alongside. Interesting. The Circle Tracker. Like a race car. Also a made up Hot Wheels, I'm assuming. Circle Tracker. Circle Joker. Stupid. Oh man, I knocked over my whole little rack. 87 Dodge D100, and it's a blooper because it's on its side, but I for one don't care about bloopers. I actually would rather not have them. So it's not gonna be a blooper for long. It's just gonna be a loose car and a bucket. It's cute. So excuse me while I pick up these ones I knocked over. Okay. Okay, these are interesting. These are some short cards I found. I think at Dollar Tree. Honda 5200 or 52,000, whatever it is. 52000. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep these in my normal card file thing or what. I'm going to try though. It wasn't so much the cars, it was the cards that I was interested in. These are really weird. There's another one. This is the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. That's a mouthful. What kind of car do you have? I have a Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Yeah. Not so easy to say. Cool little royal blue kind of color. Venice blue. This is a 84 Audi Sport Quattro. What about the car that they like did that drive-by and blows in the hood? It looks like when they roll up on Ricky and they're like Isn't that motherfucker from the other night? I don't know. It just kind of looks like that. Okay, last one. Eee. Oh my gosh. It's the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. It's kind of stupid looking. That weird back tire. I'm not sure how I feel about that one either. Oopsie. And it just parked itself. There we go. Pretty strange. Don't think I'd want to be caught dead in that one. All right, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.